Hello everyone, welcome back. This is episode 5 of Getting Familiar with Ubuntu. And as you followed along, episodes 1 through 4, we're going to launch into episode 5, where we're going to experiment and install the Gnome Shell, the Gnome 3.8 shell, which is a little different version of a desktop. And you see here we're working in Unity. And Gnome Shell is just a different spin on a different way to access elements within your operating system. So let's get started. I've got episode 5 show notes here and all the commands, which I'll put in the description beneath the video. So let's get started. As usual, before we're running all these commands in our terminal. And if you've not installed your terminal or copied your terminal to your Unity bar, you can access it from your Unity pane and by typing in terminal. And at this point you could click and drag that and create a shortcut here or on your desktop. So we're going to get started by launching our terminal and sort these out here. What we're going to do is we're going to take this by installing the GNOME 3. We need the PPA for that, and what that is just instructions as to a location to where to get information and all the packages to install a particular application. So we're going to start by copying this right here, and we're going to paste that in our terminal, and we're going to hit enter. It asks for your password anytime you make a change to your system. And it's going to say, do we want to continue? Press enter or control C to cancel. We're going to continue by pressing enter. It's going to connect to the web and import or download all the necessary packages for this. So we've added the PPA to our system, which is the instructions as to where to find a variety of packages out there on the internet. Now we're going to upgrade and install the Gnome Shell. It's very straightforward. We're going to copy this piece of command, paste that in our terminal, and hit enter. It's going out and downloading all the necessary requirements so that we can install the GNOME 3.8 shell. And it looks like it's completed. So what we're going to do is we're going to close this down. And to access the GNOME 3.8 shell, we need to log out from Unity, which is the interface we're logged into now. And when we log out, we'll get a different option in our login menu. So let me log out. And you'll see now that we've got beside our username a little Ubuntu icon. And if we click this, it'll spin out. Now we have GNOME as one of our choices of the interface that we can use when we log in. So I'm going to select GNOME, provide my login password. And as I log in, you'll notice a significant change in how things look. And we still have all of our elements of our desktop that we had before. However, we don't have the Unity bar or access to the pane. Instead, it's been replaced and updated. Not permanently. We can log out and log back into the Unity interface, but for now we've logged into the GNOME 3 interface. So let's explore this and take a look at it. Over in Unity, when we would click this, we'd be presented with a different login, logout area. You can see under the Gnome Shell, it's a little more simplified. We've got access to our clock and calendar. We've got activities over here, which gives you a somewhat similar to the Unity interface, just a little bit more streamlined and a little less invasive. If we go down here to the bottom and click Show Applications, it's going to show us a frequent list of applications that we used, and they'll be populated here. However, because we've not used any, there's nothing to populate this area. But if we want to get a look at all of the applications, you can see that it's a much bolder, bigger interface where we can see all the applications installed on our machine. And we can scroll down through them and get an idea of them, what we've got. And at this point, you can click on any of these and launch them directly from here. So the GNOME Shell is just a different way, depending on your like or your mood or the way you prefer to navigate your system and experience your operating system. May be something you like. The Unity interface. Some people like that. Some people have a need for a less cluttered look, and maybe they like that built-in search feature that you'll get with that Unity panel. So you can easily switch back by logging out, and we'll log back out here. And at this point, you just go and choose the Ubuntu default, and then log back in. And at this point, we're back to the way we were. Nothing's lost or gained. We just have the option to log into both environments, the GNOME 3.8 or the Unity. So remember, I'll leave all the commands that you saw for this so that you can successfully install the GNOME 3.8 interface. And I hope this helps. Remember, rate, comment, and subscribe. Look forward to part 6 coming in the near future. All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye.